Okay.
Yay!
Okay, go next.
Okay na yun.
Okay, ready?
Okay, lights, camera, action!
Go. Go na, go.
Go.
Blossoms, are you ready? Girls, girls, are you ready? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Brady. Loving. Obedient. Strong. Smart. Obedient. Mindful.
Okay.
Oh, palakpakan!
Next.
Next number, ayan na sila.
Nakalimutan eh. Nakalimutan. Ano, hindi na makapunta. Diyan ka lang naman upo. Hindi naman nakabot yung usok eh.
Oh, lights, camera, action!
Okay, dito kayo.
Atras, atras dun, huwag ganun lumapit.
Dito, dito. Yan, yan. Okay, dyan yan. Go.
Yes, it's hot. Dun banda, dun sila banda, mami, ano mo?
Let's go! Are you ready? Yes, we are ready!
Oo.
Ayan, mga higante yan.
Tulips! Tulips! Girl Scout! Girl Scout! Abatse! Abatse! Abatse!
Galing nga.
Abatse! Abatse! Girl Scout!
Galing nga.
Split pa.
Next.
Next.
Ready. Okay, go.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Andito na sa tower. Andito na sa tower. Andito na sa tower. Go, sunflower. Go, go, sunflower. Go, sunflower. Go, go, sunflower. Sunflower.
Okay. Next group.
Okay, pastor. Group number na tayo.
Mag-overnight din kung mag-inan.
Pag matutulog na kayo. Lechon ka dito. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Roses, are you ready? Yes, we are ready. Roses, are you ready? Yes, we are ready. We are the roses. We are the roses. Di magpapatalo.
Nakalimutan lang yun. Nakalimutan nila.
Ay, may ika ka.